What's up guys, hope you're good, hope you're having a nice day. So this is going to be a short video. So once in a while you may go to Play Store, you try to install an app, then you find this message, something went wrong, try again, and the app can't install. So I think I've got a solution that worked for me. So first of all, you go to settings, then you go down to apps or app management. Okay, it depends with your phone. I'm using an Oppo, so it's app management. Then go find Google Play Store and Google Play Services. They're in alphabetic order. Then now go into Google Play Store, tap storage, then clear the cache. Now same way you go to Google Play Services, then tap storage, clear the cache. Now then again you go back to Google Play Store, storage, and this time you clear the data. Clear the data. It won't do anything, it will just sign you out. So don't mind that message, you can sign in, and you don't have to do this in any particular order. Anything works so long as you clear the data and cache in Play Store and cache in Google Play Services. Now go back and open Play Store. It will take a while because of the clearing of the data. So you just have to wait, but once it opens, try to install the app. I think it will work. And when the app says when you try to install the app and it says pending, for a long time, you just restart the phone and it will work. That worked for me. So thank you and have a nice day. Now subscribe.